Hello everyone. Here is a sample video I made showcasing my way of computing quantities using OpenCutList. Accurate BOQ equals less waste plus more savings. I provide detailed board quantification for modular kitchen cabinets and custom furniture. Output in Excel format, ready for suppliers and installers. Let's make your project easier and more precise. Here is a clip of me generating board quantity for the island carcass using OpenCutList. As you can see, OCL does the work for me, and the result is clear. We'll be using for melamine boards for the island carcass. It can also generate and read the total edge banding to be used. Let's try again, this time selecting another kitchen carcass group to quantify the materials needed. As you can see, it gives me the data I need with just one click. With this powerful tool, I can master all board quantifying needs, making the process easy and fast. I can also confirm if I've selected all the boards to be quantified by simply generating a drawing option from OCL. It can also be exploded for final checking to ensure all panels are truly selected for computation. Let's try another group. I'll show you another cool feature. We can identify the individual panel entity name with this feature if required. Panel naming is also a feature here, great for generating CutList entries for production, use and material management. We can identify the individual panel entity name with this feature. It helps with CutList management later on during production. Panels I draw must be uniquely named and labeled. This makes part identification and position assignment much easier during production. Now, let's try computing the overall group and see the data result after hitting the Generate option. Let's take a look at the cutting diagram and see the total quantity required for the white melamine boards. This demonstrates how efficiently and accurately OCL can quantify boards, helping save time, reduce errors, and streamline your production workflow. Let me show you the details for this kitchen. Specifically, the panel naming. Later on, panel identification can be used for cross-referencing on the CutList PDF, making every panel involved in the project properly cataloged. Panel naming is a crucial feature. It ensures every panel is correctly identified for CutList generation, reduces mistakes during production, and makes material management much more efficient. Panels I draw must be uniquely named and labeled. This makes part identification and position assignment much easier during production. Let me show you the details for this kitchen. Specifically, the panel naming. Later on, panel identification can be used for cross-referencing on the CutList PDF, making every panel involved in the project properly cataloged. Now that every panel is properly named and cataloged, let's take a look at the PDF CutList. You can see how panel identification connects directly to the CutList, making cross-referencing and production management seamless. You can compare the panel names in the lower section, match them to the CutList, and trace them back to the labeled panel drawings. As you can see, I made a separate PDF file for every CutList group to make the data easy to manage and simple to understand. This CutList data represents a specific group of carcasses, for example, the Island Module Group or Lower Module Group 1. This demo shows how OpenCutList makes board quantification fast, accurate, and easy. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping with your next project.